Have you ever noticed how a big yawn can make you feel more awake? Here's why. When you yawn, you take a deep breath in, which brings more oxygen into your body. At the same time, yawning stretches your jaw and face muscles, which can help increase blood flow to your brain. This little boost of oxygen and blood flow helps your brain feel a bit more alert and refreshed, especially if you're tired or bored. Yawning is like your body's natural reset button, helping you shake off drowsiness and get back to whatever you were doing with a bit more energy.